This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Roblox. So Roblox, the popular game, I'm right here on the main download page. It's simply at roblox.com/download. I will of course put that in the video description, so you'll have a URL as a link in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that and wind up here. You don't need to go searching or anything. So it will correctly identify your operating system right here. It knows that I'm on a Mac. Now you can come to this download page and download it for virtually anything. We've got the Apple App Store here, the Mac App Store, we've got Google Play, PlayStation, Xbox, Meta Quest even. You can get it at the Microsoft Store, at the Amazon App Store as well, and the Galaxy Store. So clicking any of those buttons will just, you'll wind up straight on that App Store in question. I will click this one as I have a Mac. And this version goes, just opens up directly. I've been redirected, so thanks for downloading Roblox. There's some installation instructions. You can see that the icon just flew up there in the corner, which always tells you on a Mac that has in fact downloaded. Depending on your browser, you will find the installer in your browser's download location. Yours might be different to mine. I'm on Google Chrome, for example, with a Mac. On this Mac, and it goes directly to my downloads folder. Your downloads location might be different. You'll find the installer there and you will follow the instructions. That's the easy bit, but hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Roblox. We've gone through a whole load of different versions of how to download the actual game. There's like I say, on the downloads page, there's about 8 different versions. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.